When an emergency happens, people don't have time to think through complicated procedures. They just react. That's why 911inform's 2-button wearable panic button was designed around simplicity. Instead of requiring users to remember different press patterns, button sequences, or activation methods, the wearable provides 2 clearly defined options. 1 button for assistance, 1 button for emergencies. It's that simple. A medical issue, a disruptive individual, a situation that requires staff support, the blue assistance button can discreetly notify administrators, security personnel, or building teams without escalating the situation into a full emergency response. But when seconds matter and immediate action is required, the red emergency button initiates a high-priority event, allowing organizations to activate their emergency response procedures and quickly connect with emergency services. The result is a system that aligns with how people actually think under stress. Just press the button that matches the situation. Beyond ease of use, reliability is critical. 911inform wearables communicate using LoRaWAN technology. Unlike many wireless panic buttons that rely on Wi-Fi connectivity, LoRaWAN creates a dedicated communications network designed for long-range, low-power operation. This means panic notifications can continue to function even when Wi-Fi networks become congested, unavailable, or unreliable during a crisis. LoRaWAN also provides exceptional building coverage, penetrating through walls, concrete, and steel, while maintaining long battery life and dependable performance. But the wearable is only one piece of the solution. When activated, the device becomes part of the complete 911inform ecosystem. An alert can immediately trigger notifications to security teams, administrators, and first responders. Location information can be displayed through interactive mapping. Mass notifications can be distributed throughout the facility. Connected building integrations can activate cameras, door locks, strobes, and PA systems. From the initial button press to coordinated emergency response, every component works together on a single platform. Because emergency response shouldn't depend on remembering the right sequence of button presses. It should be intuitive, reliable, and immediate.